tropa, maglalaro tayo ng Roblox pero Biggest Titan Simulator. Ngayon, kailangan natin maging Titan kasi ito, Titan 1 lang. Kailangan natin maging malaking Titan. So guys, kailangan natin ma-defeat lahat ng mga nandito na player. So, now, start na natin! Go! Ito lang, parang may pumapatay sa akin. Takbo! Like nyo itong video at isubscribe nyo para nakanood ulit kayo ng video ko. Sige! Ika lang, may pumapatay sa akin. Sige mga tropa, papatayin natin yan sa susunod. Tignan nyo, magiging tayo. Kasama ito mga tropa ha. Ang laking Titan dito. Ang laki. Grabe. Palibutan ako. Doon tayo sa bundok mga tropa. Gusto nyo? Teka. Sa gusto nyo, pupunta tayo. Ano to? Nagkaroon. Safe zone? Hindi ba pag ganito, safe zone yan. Kaya, hindi. Itong green ball. Tapos, itong yellow sail. I know. Sail. Let's go. Let's sail our own. This is a sail. Let's sail. It's done and let's buy equipment or Titan. I don't know, but let's buy. What a heavy with today. What is that? Okay. Yay. Faster, run! Okay. Okay, let's start again because that is so dirty and I need to do a secret to become the stronger in the Attack on Titan. Let's go! Okay, let's take here. Good. Babalikan ko na lang kayo mga tropa ha. Tignan nyo lang muna ako. Now, let's go to Bobby. Man, Titan. We need Titan. Titan 2. Titan 2. Hey. Thank you. Now, back. Let's back. Okay. Now let's push up. Push up. Faster. You see? Want to transform? Comment below for next video. Transform. Yeah, transform. Transform. Look. Look. Let's sell this. Come on. Okay. And let's buy Titan. Let's see what Titan.
Nagpalit ko yung papatas din. Pilitin ko ito is. Madala ko gate.